Pushing it on your own.
Nice. Hey, watch out, Nico. Wow, you can see the bottom. Talk about clear. Clear, clear. You can see all the shells. I wonder if we see any flounder if we walk this one. This is the first time we've been on this pier. They just opened it up literally 2 nights ago. Or actually 1 night ago. We missed it. We were going fishing at another pier. We were going to come here, but they started to close. But now they got the lights on and everything. So we're good.
Gotta bite. Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Water's absurdly clear.
Yeah.
This cart really does not like staying straight, does it?
Yeah. Really loose. Need to get another one. Which means now that we know this pier, we're definitely going to have to get a smaller pier. Hey, stay to that side. Push me.
I'm trying not to.
Okay. Time for a new one. Too close. You gotta go to the right a little bit. Go to the right. Hold it. Pick it up. This is how I'm keeping it. Get to him, just hold it right.
Hey, good idea on that one.
Need a smaller cart next time.
Hey, remember we're looking at that?
What's right?
He's got the setup there.
Y'all can pass. Oh, it gets wider at the end. Yeah.
Okay, you suck at giving directions. You're right, it's not my right.
Y'all are doing some serious fishing.
bad of a wash.
Where?
Right there, the big cabbage jellyfish right there. So let's do this. Give y'all a little.
Water's beautiful.
Wow, yeah.
You still got snorkeling gear, right?
Yeah, I do.
Not in the car.
Not in the car. Yeah, and I ain't definitely doing it right now. Crazy, it's cold out there. Let's see. All right, guys. So this is what the pier looks like over here in Rockport, Fulton. Very nice. Got a nice little house here at the end for sunlight during the day, and it's all lit up all the way in the front and sides. Very nice.
Like that. And now you're gonna go all the way down.
Showing my brother to do a push-up.
Okay. Go all the way down. Look, this is your end. Okay. You're gonna go all the way down and then all the way back up. You don't have to go forward so much.
Now push up, son. Push up. Push up. Come on, you can do it.
Doing them like down here, so he's like this.
Yeah.
Do them at your chest, not like your sternum. Yes. No, back a little bit. Go back a little bit. Go back a little bit more. Right there.
But just try a regular one.
I'll do it with you.
Go down.
I'm following you. You want to go slower, right? Well.
I barely went up there.
Actually. So now, see the bottom. Pretty nice down there. Let's see if we can get a little closer for you. Nope, not focusing very well, but there you go. Pretty clear out here tonight. Got a little bit of a breeze, but at least it ain't too calm. No glass yet. See how it goes. Give it about another couple hours. All right, guys. So just a little tidbit of, I'm gonna show you where I'm fishing, and it's me and my two boys, and we got a total of 8 rods out. We got them kind of spread out because the pier's pretty much empty, and it's been like that for a while. And I almost got Karen. Lady comes out and stands right here, starts throwing her little lure out, saying, "Hey, whose rods are these?" Asking the guys over there. And no, excuse me. So I tell him, I was like, "No, those are mine." And she goes, "Well, I thought she was going to ask, you know, can I fish between your lines?" Hey, go and throw anywhere you want because there's plenty of room. I got them all spread out, you know. Next thing I know, she's like, "No, you have too many rods." I said, technically my boys are in the restroom and they're back now. It took a while to get here. But, you know, she's telling me I have too many rods. And I said, well, I did read somewhere, and I may have made the mistake, that I saw it was 4 rods per person. But even then, with me and my 2 boys, we only have 8 rods total. So 3, 3, and 2. And, yep. So I was like, well, technically I have way less, but I'm trying to figure out or find out who may know that info. Because, yeah, she was pretty pissed. She was like, well, you have too many and nobody can fish out here. And I'm like, well, technically you can, because there's gap near the light pole. There's their gap. There's this gap. There's a gap over there. There's another one behind me. Well, I said, you're fishing up close. I said, I'm fishing way out there. I don't care where you fish. It don't matter. You know, they're fishing right here near the lights. Well, that wasn't the answer she wanted to hear. She wanted me to hear, or she wanted to hear that I was going to pull all these rods in and me and my kids couldn't fish. Yep, not going to get that from me. Sorry. Unless I find out that, you know, there's maybe a 2-rod limit. Okay, well then, I'll give her an apology. But right now, I've heard it's 3 and 4 rods, everybody I'm asking. So, I don't know. Just thought I'd share that with y'all. I'm going to keep fishing. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little rundown. We have left the pier, but I want to show you the other things that are part of this park. So this may be very interesting for y'all as well as it was for me, because I think we can have some pretty cool family functions. Right there you can see off to my left hand, there's a pavilion right there. And yeah, it's a big covered area. Well, you go to a little bit to the left, there's a kids play park over there. And then on the other side is the pier. So those that want to bring their families out here, they got a bunch of other covered pavilions as well. There's barbecue pits there on that side. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little zoom in. There's the park right there. It's a pretty big play park. There's swings, there's big old jungle gym. There's that covered pavilion and plenty of parking. It's all the way around and pretty empty right now, but yeah. So we're calling it a night. Oh, and there's public restrooms right there too. So come out, check it out.